Okay, so you're not going to believe me, but next time you get hiccups, I have the exact right solution to get rid of them. You're not going to, trust me now, you're not going to believe this, but I need you to remember this, because next time you get them, you're going to try it, and it's going to work perfectly. Here's what you do. Get a hiccup out, pull on your left earlobe, not too hard, but just hard enough that there's sort of pressure pulling down. Take a large glass of water and drink. Drink a whole glass of water while pulling on your left earlobe down, and I guarantee you, I promise you, you will absolutely lose your hiccups. It works every time. I've taught it to my 5-year-old. She even does it now every time, and it works seamlessly. It only takes one glass of water and they will be gone. Guaranteed.